Be careful, Jess, he's wild. But if you ride him a little bit novicey, just sort of bounce up and down a little bit and have long reins. And then sort of do like a massive rising trot. That's it, massive one. And then sort of skip a few beats, so you go all sort of floppy. That's it. And hold your hands right up in the air. And tip right forward. My battery's back to end.